Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can show Wi-Fi password in any system, in any Windows or Windows laptop or computer. Okay, so firstly you have to go to your Wi-Fi tab. So I'm using Windows 11. Okay, so if you are using Windows 10 or if you are using Windows 8, so process is same. Maybe there something UI will be different. Okay, so I'm going to click on my Wi-Fi, and as you can see that my device is connected to unplugged Suman. So this is my Wi-Fi name. So I'm going to right click on it and going to properties. Okay, so as you can see that here my all IP address showing. I'm going to hide it. So here you have to go advanced Wi-Fi properties. Okay, and you have to click edit. I'm going to show you Windows 11. And as you can see that there are two options. One is connection and another one is security. So I'm going to go to security, and as you can see that here is the option that network security key, and it is asterisk. So if I click on show, this will be reveal my password. Okay, so I'm going to click on show. So as you can see that this is my Wi-Fi password, Summon 12345. Okay, so that's all for this video. So thanks for watching. I will see your beautiful face in the next video. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, I will highly request you that please subscribe my channel and give me motivation. Thank you.